yenye nitakana tamakari zipitie.
Kamati mochung' ne thieth kaachiel kod mano mochung' ne omenda e kaunti ma Nandi oromo kod jodito mopogore opogore mawuok e sekta mar thieth mar twak ewi okenge mag chamo chiemo mantiere gi ndhadhu makare mawachore ni en achiel kuom midhiero makelo tuoche ne nyithindo mantiere e kauntino. Ka giloso e boma ma Kapsabet, jodito mawuok e komitino wacho ni romo ma kamano ne en mar sumo paro kaka ginyalo keto tenge omenda e bajet mar tieko achiedh nade ma ikelo kod tuoche mag chamo chiemo ma ok ni kare.
We are going to prioritize, and what is now left at the moment.
We've had stunted growth, malnutrition happening in Nandi County, and we have had interventions within the last 5 years that has seen our malnutrition rates drop by half and our stunted growth also drop by half, as well as we have improved our maternal mortality rates. We have reduced our maternal mortality rates by half by improving nutrition and also other factors such as making blood available. But what is key is working with the community to ensure that they know a good balance of nutrition.
We were discussing on ways we can partner, on ways we can make budget allocations so that we support their programs. And we have agreed we want to see the performance of the previous financial years on how the Nandi County utilized the funds that it was allocated to them. And if it was prudently managed, we shall do double allocations. But if not well managed, we are going to look and put more internal control measures so that the donor fund is well utilized, is well managed, and meets its objection.
We have had so many issues on matters to do with nutrition, and we have agreed as members of the county assembly that we want to have a specific budget line for issues to do with nutrition, and that one will help teams or other department of nutrition to focus on so much on advocacy of the same, so that we have knowledge being imparted to our people on importance of having enough access to different categories of food.